You are welcome to Joe Academy, and this training we are going to learn how to create a website, a personal website. We are going to use a software called Mobilize. So Mobilize is a software that's you can say it's a site builder that helps you to generate or to create a design a professional website. There are so many websites that you can create. We have portfolio websites, we have landing page websites, we have gallery website, we have blog sites, we have school websites, we have company sites, we have learning management system site, LMS site. There's so many sites you can talk of. So let's see the sites I created. So this is a site I created with Mobilize. So you can see that you have the company name here, then you have the menu list here, you have these items here. So what they do, what the company do, so that's here. Then a little about the company, then this section here will come. Then you have the team, that is the executives or the members in the company. Okay, so you have the contact section here. Then this section is the map. When I go online, you see that the map will be showing here. Okay, so this is also the blog section where you can get or you can post your blog messages or blog posts here. Okay, then you also have the footer here. Okay, so this is the kind of website that we are going to learn how to create. So this is a simple website. So if you click on the navigation buttons here, it will send you to sections of this page. So at this particular session or this particular training, we are going to learn how to create a one-page website. A one-page website. Yes, even though we have page links here, but these page links all links to the same page, that is the home page here, but it links to sections of the page. So this particular training, I'm going to teach you how to create such website, and also I want to introduce you to ways of creating multiple pages. So with that one, you can create pages and then link them to your site, or you can create the pages and then design the pages individually. So at that stage, you can click on service to send it to a different page, not a section on the home page. So that is with that one. I'll just introduce you to that. Okay, then after that, I will teach you how to publish your site to get a live hosting, actually a free hosting. Good. So now let's dive in. So the first thing you need to do, you need to get the Mobilize software. So you can go to mobilize.com and download their software. So I'll launch the software now. So I'm using Mobilize 5.9.17. That's 5.9.17. That's the version I'm using now. So there is a site I just created with Mobilize. So that is it here. So we are going to start our fresh website. Now, when you open your browser, when you open your app or your software, the mobile software, the first session that we are going to learn today is I'm going to take you through the interface. That will be the lesson for today. Just the interface. Now, when you open it, this is the display section, or we call it the canvas area. That's where the editing, the display of blogs are going to be seen here. So this section here is the canvas area. So when you come to the top here, you can see this icon here. We call it the mobile view. So when you click on it, it will turn your website to a mobile view. So this is how your website will be seen on the mobile screen. So this kind of website that we're going to learn is responsive website. It's a responsive website. So it can be displayed on the phone and also on a laptop or a tablet. So that is it. Okay, so you can click it again and it will return you back to your desktop view. We have the preview session here. So when you click on this preview session, this eye icon here, it will preview your website that you've created in a browser. So the browser, your default browser, will then open. Then let's try to click on it. So when you click on it, you just compile your files and then it will open in the browser for you. Yes, that is how that particular icon works. We also have the publish icon here, of which I will talk about later. Okay, so let's put that on the side. Then we have this section here, this 3 lines here. This 3 lines that you can see from this section. You see, that is a section that is very important. So let's click on it. So when you just hover your mouse on it, you see that a menu will be displayed. So at that stage, you can create your pages. You can create a new site. You can get your account there. If you have not logged in, you need to log in and get an account on Mobilize. So at this stage, if you after launch your app, you need to log in, create account on Mobilize, then you start to use. So after creating an account, you can just turn off your internet access, then you can use it offline. Yes, that's it. Then from there, you come to this section here. We have the plus section here. So this plus section, when I click on it, it is going to display the list of blogs, parts of the website that you can just display on your website. So as you move on down, next lesson, we are going to start to use them. We have the menu, we have the header, the footer, the features, you have the articles, image, videos. You want to add videos to your or images to your website, you can just come to this section and click on it to give you options of how you want to display them on your website. You can have the contacts here too. These are all there. So as you start to create a website, I'll be teaching you how or when to use such blocks. Okay, so now let's try to create our website. So let's go to the 3 lines at the top left corner and then go to sites. So let's click on site. So you click on site, it will give you an option. So you see that this is the site I already have here, but you have this option here, just create a new site. So you can create a new site or you can import a Mobilize site. So maybe you have already created a site with Mobilize on a different computer. So you can just get the files and then upload it here, import it here and start to edit it. You can also create a website or Mobilize using AI. So AI also is another option. But actually, if you are new to and you have no guidance, you can use the AI to generate your website. But personally, I don't. I will not advise you to use the AI. But you can try your hands on it. But we are not going to use AI. We're going to create everything from scratch. So let's click on this particular button here. Sorry. Now, after clicking here, you come to this section, your site name. So the site name, which name do you want to give to your site? So let's say I want to use my portfolio. Portfolio website. So that's the name I want to give to my site. I want to give my website. So the site name is my portfolio website. Okay, so you can use underscore to bridge the gaps, but you can still do it the same as this. Okay, from there, then you come to the pages templates. So maybe you want to create pages, so you can get the templates from here. So you can see that you have the creator portfolio. As you want to create a portfolio, so you can use this template. You have a small business, if you want to create a small business. So these are the templates, the pre-made template. So you can just click on any of the templates and then you start to edit. Yes, you can click on any of the templates, you start to edit. So if you don't have time, if you just want to play with this, then you just select a template and then start to edit. But we are not going to select a template. We can also go to the theme. So we are not going to select it. So let's go to theme. The theme, we are going to use any of these themes. So we have the Start M5 or the Mobilize 5. Now, when you talk of theme in websites, theme is the frame, of the website. So it gives you the framework, how the website should look like. So that is the theme. So let's select any of the theme. So I prefer to select the Mobilize 5. So let's select the Mobilize 5. Then it will come back to the pages again. So the template again. So you're not going to select any template. You're going to start from a blank page. So let's click on add blank page. And then say, do you want to create my portfolio website based on Mobilize 5 theme? Yes. So we click on OK. Good. So now you can see that we have a blank website. So if you preview this website in your browser, you can see that no code website builder. So that is nothing in your website. This website is a blank website. Okay. So we end this particular lesson here. In our next lesson, we're going to start with our website. So we start from the menu, we go to the other blocks, and then we are good to go. So let's meet in another lesson. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.